here's the deal. We all keep money in our savings account, right? And honestly, the interest we get is like peanuts. Seriously, 2 to 3%, can you believe it? But guess what? There's a super simple trick that can turn that money into something that earns way more without moving it anywhere. And the magic behind this, it's called auto sweep. Sounds fancy? Chill. I'll break it down in plain simple English. So let's dive into a new video of Wallah English YouTube channel. Welcome, my name is Akshita. Okay, real talk. When we go open a bank account, we just grab the debit card and go home. Nobody tells us the secret stuff. Even the bank staff sometimes forget to explain, like an article in Aaj says. But today, we're not going into boring technical jargon. I'll tell you the full scene, simple, straight, no headache. Here's the cold, hard truth. Your savings account gives you around 2.5 to 3.5 interest. Okay, that is tiny. Now if you put that same money in a fixed deposit bank, they pay 7 to 8% interest. Big difference, right? The problem, most of us just leave the money in the savings account, losing out on all that extra earning. So now let's see what auto sweep is. Basically giving your savings account a mini FD upgrade automatically. Sounds cool, right? What exactly is auto sweep? So here's how it works. Plain and simple. You set a threshold limit in your savings account. So whenever your balance goes above that limit, the extra money is automatically moved into an FD by the bank itself. No app clicks, no paperwork. The bank does it for you. And here's the kicker. The money above the limit now earns higher FD level interest. So basically, same account, same money, but interest upgraded. So let me make it super easy to understand. Suppose your threshold is 30,000 and your account has 90,000. And here's what happens. 30,000 stays in your savings account, normal interest. But the extra 60,000, boom, that automatically moved to FD like units, earning that juicy higher interest. See, you don't do anything, but your money works harder. Now, most people think, wait, if my money goes into FD, I can't touch it, right? Wrong! This is the coolest part. The money is instantly accessible. Need some cash? The bank automatically brings it back to your savings account for you. So, you're earning high interest, but still have full flexibility. Basically, money works and stays in your pocket. Pretty neat, huh? So let's give a quick recap of what we've learned today. What is auto sweep? Let's see, higher interest like FD, but without moving money. Bank does all the work automatically. Withdraw anytime, no extra hassle. Threshold crossing is equal to earning boosts instantly. No need to go through apps or make separate FDs. It's like a money upgrade happening quietly in the background. Now let's check how to activate this auto sweep system. It is actually super simple. Log into your net banking or mobile app or just tell the bank staff to enable auto sweep. Just that's it. Set it once and after that, relax. Your money does all the work automatically. There are a few small but very important points. Let's check. Not every bank may offer this auto sweep system. Ask first, set the threshold wisely based on your monthly expenses. Withdrawal rules matter. Most banks allow instant access, but some may reduce interest slightly or levy a tiny penalty if the FD units are broken early. So check your bank's policy first, so there are no surprises. Knowledge is power, right? So friends, that's the full auto sweep scene. A simple trick, but it can make your money work smarter, not harder. If you learned something new today, smash that like button, share with your friends who needs to know about this, and subscribe for more simple money hacks. So if you have ever used this auto sweep or did you just learn about it now? Drop your comments below. Let's talk about it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. Thanks for watching.
Boss Wallah. Be the boss.